Welcome to Life Hacks 101. Master the basics of simplifying your life. In this video, we will share some simple yet effective life hacks that can help you streamline your daily routines, save time, and reduce stress. Get ready to learn how to simplify your life in no time. The first step to simplifying your life is to organize your space. Clutter and disorganization can add unnecessary stress to your day. Learn how to declutter your home, establish a system for everything, and create a peaceful environment. Time is precious, and mastering time management is crucial for simplifying your life. Discover effective strategies for prioritizing tasks, setting realistic goals, and avoiding procrastination. With better time management, you can accomplish more without feeling overwhelmed. Our daily routines can often be time-consuming and inefficient. Discover simple life hacks to streamline your morning, evening, and work routines. Learn how to save time and energy by optimizing your daily habits. In today's digital age, constant connectivity can be overwhelming. A digital detox can help you simplify your life and reduce screen time. Learn how to establish healthy boundaries with technology and find a balance between the virtual and real world. Minimalism is a lifestyle that emphasizes owning fewer possessions and focusing on what truly matters. Discover how embracing minimalism can help you simplify your life, reduce clutter, and find more joy in the things that truly bring you happiness. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of simplifying your life through these practical life hacks. By applying these strategies, you can create more time and space for the things that truly matter to you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on simplifying your life.